Well, going to be changing one of the wheel bearings on the front of a 2011 Nissan Altima. Already changed one. Learned a lesson on that one. Go ahead and pull that wheel sensor, because when you put the new bearing back in, most likely you're going to pinch it and it will not work after that. So save yourself 40 bucks. Pull it out as you pull the bearing assembly out. Let's go ahead and get the wheel off. Turn the wheels to the left. Been too easy if that can't carry it and just flip out of the way, right? Let's see if it'll come off. There we go. It's a quarter pin. These are a little bit small for the job. It worked. I'm gonna pull the sensor now before I hit the wire by accident. That makes it feel like it was just too easy. have to look up the torque specs on this. Got to get that off, and this is pretty tough to come off sometimes. Way too big. Okay, so that's all. I had to use the big persuader solution to get it off. Don't like beating on this aluminum stuff right here. So I'm gonna clean this area up with some sand screen and put a little bit of no-cease on it, and maybe it won't. Well, hopefully I'll never have to change it again, but maybe it'll be nice for someone down the road. I can feel this bearing is pretty gritty feeling when you turn it, so should quieten down a lot with the new bearing on. Let me get something, clean this up. So before you commit to this, you have these openings here, and that's for the wheel sensor. You want to make sure that that lines up. I guess if you bought one that was specifically for this car, one that came off of it just had 2 slots. This one has 3, so you can put it on and then not be able to put the wheel sensor in. So just make sure you keep an eye on that. So YouTube says 44 foot-pounds for the 4 bolts here. Okay, got lucky. Go ahead and stick this on. It was 92 foot-pounds. I'm sure that's not 92 foot-pounds. That should be it. Might have been more than 92 foot-pounds. Probably should take this loose. That's pretty impressive. That's 92 foot-pounds. Don't let me forget to tighten that. These are 98 foot-pounds. Higher than the axle. Ooh, that was harder than I thought it was going to be. So the caliper pin bolts are 20 foot-pounds. All right. That's it. One thing you always remember when you mess with your brakes on your vehicle, keep the parking brake down and actuate your brakes a few times before you commit to pulling off somewhere, because the pedal usually will go down to the floor until you get the fluid pumped back up into the calipers. So I'll start it up, hit the brake pedal a few times, and then see how it holds. This is not a how-to. I recommend you look up shop manuals for all those torques. I just took Google for my reference. Usually it's close enough. But if you wanted to try changing out a wheel bearing on a Nissan Altima, that's kind of some steps that you're going to have to take to do it. So, all right, I appreciate you watching. Hope you don't have to do this, but if you do, you saw what I went through, give you some ideas. I recommend you watch some other videos that maybe are done by a professional mechanic and not just a shade tree homeowner / do-it-yourselfer. All right, thanks for watching.